Yeah, today we are discussing RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims, Quantity up to Grand Test 58. Let's go for the questions. Look for the first one. 8 men together can complete a work in 12 days. So, 8 men together can complete a piece of work in 12 days. These 8 men started working together. The same work is and have worked for 8 days. That means 8 men already 8 days work is completed, means out of 12 days. Remaining is how many days work is left? 4 days work is left. This is then X men more joined. That means instead of 8 means now it is a how many months extra? X means extra joined. Then which reduced the remaining work completion time by how much? 33 1 by 3 percentage. Basically it will be going to complete it in 4 days, but it is going to become reduced. How much reduced? 33 1 by 3 percentage is equal 1 by 3. 1 by 3 reduced means it is become a taken time is how much? 2 by 3. Then find the X value. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. When you are solving this, we'll get an answer clearly. Look at here the 4 will be cancel. And next here the 2 4s are and 4 3s are 12. 12 is equal to 8 plus x, then x is equal to how many more members extra? 4 means extra added to getting an answers for this. This question option is B. And going for the next question, PQR together invested P plus Q plus R is invested 1 lakh. And if P invested 8,000 more than B, P invested 8,000 more than Q, and Q invested 10,000 more than R. Q invested 10,000 more than R. As per the instruction, I will write R is R. Q invested 10,000 more than R means we can write so 10,000 more than R. This is we can write for Q. And P invested is what? P invested 8,000 more than Q. That means comparing to Q value, 8,000 more than means it is becoming 18,000. 18,000 plus R, which is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, so 18,000 plus 10,000, which is 28,000. 28,000 is removing from the 1 lakh, it is a 72,000. R plus R plus R, 3R. 3R is equal to 72,000 means R is equal to how many thousand? 24,000. Then here the question is then what end of the year what will the share of P out of what is the value? 70,000. Out of the 70,000 we have to calculate. So look at R value is 24,000, then Q value is overall is how many parts here? 1 lakh. Okay, overall is 1 lakh. This is we have to distribute. Then out of 1 lakh, then P value is how much? P value is how many thousand? 18,000 plus 24,000. 18,000 plus 24,000, which is equal to how many thousand here? 42,000. 42,000. Investment total is 1 lakh. Out of that, there is a 42,000. This is we have to distribute for the profit of 70,000. Okay, then cancel the values to getting an answer here. 3 zeros cancel and double zero cancel. 7 will be multiplied here the 2 zeros. 7 2s are 14 and carry forward is 1. 7 4s are 28. It is a 29. It is answer is 29,400. Our option is what? D here. And moving for the next question, a merchant has 500 kg rice. Some part of the which sales is 12.5 percentage, and another part rest of the part is sold at 25 percentage, and totally he gain is how much percentage? 22.5 percentage. Apply the mixed and allocation method to getting an answer. Here 12.5 minus 22.5 difference is 10, and 22.5 difference to 2.25 it is a 2.5, and ratio is 2.5 to 10 it is a ratio is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5,000. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5,000. If the quantity of the he sold at 12.5 percentage case, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 parts is equal to 5,000. Then 1 part is equal to how many kgs? 1,000 kgs. Then option is what? B here. And go for the next question. How many words can be formed letters of the flagship vowels come together? A and I. These are the is a two vowels in a overall term. Then F L G S H P 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 factorial into AA can be shuffled theirself. It is a 2 factorial. 7 factorial is 5040. 5040 is multiplied 2, which is equal to 180. 10080. Then our option is what? B here. And next, average runs of a batsman 29 innings is how many runs? 16 runs. How many runs he should make it in the next innings? Next innings means is what is the innings? 30th. 30 innings now. Then 30th innings, this average is increases by 6 1 by 4 percentage. 6 1 by 4 percentage is equal to 1 by 16. That means every 16 runs 1 will be increased means it is become a 17 runs now. So 16 already there, it is increased by 1 part, it is extra 7. Look at here, the difference is 1, here the difference is 1. Increment means here multiply, and here multiply. 1 into 17, 17, 1 into 29, 29. 29 plus 17, 17 plus 30, for example 47, but it is a 46, 29 is there, then our answer is what? 46. The what was the extra innings score is there, that is a 46. Option E here. Next, question number 46. What will be amount 64,000 in 1.5 years if it is invested by 15% per annum compound interest? Interest being compounded half yearly. So we have to calculate here 15% by 2 on 64,000. Why we are writing by 2? Because it is half yearly. 2 to 64, 32, and 32 make half 16, 16, 15 make double, 16 3 it is 48. 48, 100 you will getting a first year, and second year is second half year also you will get 4,800, third half year also you will get 4,800. And here is also we can apply 15 2 by percentage, 2 to 48, so it is 24. 24 you can make half, 12 and 15 make double, 12 3 which is get 360. Here you will get 360, and here is you will get 360, and in this you will get 360, and here is you will get, again you can implement here 15 by 2 percentage. Interest on interest we have to calculate, and 2 to 360, 180, 180 half value 90, 15 double value 30, it is you will get 27. Then this all the interest are added, you will get a clear answer. Here these all the values are added, you will get an answer. Look at here, double digit 60 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 20 is 200, 207. Last 3 digits, what is the value you will get? 207. In 207, last 2 digits are what here? 07. Which option is contained last digit is 07? That is our answer. It is only one option is contained 07. That is answer is what? See here. And next, coming to the DI, here direction pie graph given below shows the percentage distribution for Mohit's monthly income. Study the pie chart carefully and answer the questions given below. Mohit's monthly salary is 25,000 rupees. Mohit monthly salary is how much rupees? 25,000 rupees. Then his expenditures are there: rent, education, traveling, and tax and saving. Based on that, we have to calculate. Look for the first question. Mohit's expenditure on rent is how much more than his expenditure on traveling? So Mohit's expenditure on rent. Rent expenditure is 26%. Traveling expenditure is 14%. How much percentage extra difference? 12% of 25,000. 12% of 25,000. 25% of 12,000. It is equal to 3,000. How much rupees extra? 3,000. Option is what? B here. And next question. Find the ratio between Mohit's salary and Mohit expenditure and tax. So Mohit's salary is 25,000. Okay, and the tax expenditure is 16%. 16% of 25,000 will take 16 out of 100, 16. Okay, 100 salary, then 16 rupees, then cancel with 4, 25 and 4, 25 is to 4. Our option is what? D here. And next, find out Mohit's salary average allocation on all departments except to tax. Except to tax means remaining all. Remaining all value is what? 100%. Out of 100%, 16% is removing. Remaining is how much percentage? 84%. This is average. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is by, and it is we require 25,000. Okay, for how many times? 21. Here we require 25% of 21,000. That is the one way. Otherwise 25 into 21 directly multiply. 25 20 is a 5,000. So 500. Then 25 25 is a means 525 0. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. It is become a 5250. Our option is first option here. And next, find out Mohit's salary total allocation on education, traveling and saving. Education and traveling and saving. Saving is 10%. So 14 plus 34 is 48. 48 plus 10, 58%. 58% of 25,000. So 34 plus 14, 48. 48 plus 10, 58. Okay. 25% of 58,000. 25% of 58,000. Simply we can take 58,000 half value 29,000. Okay, 29,000 half value, 20,000 half value, 10,000, 9,000 half value, 4,500, which is equal to 14,500. 14,500. Option B here. Next, if for particular month Mohit's salary get increased by 40%, percentage distribution of Mohit's monthly salary remains the same. Find out his new saving. New saving means saving is how much percentage? 10%. Okay, so his salary is increased by how much percentage? 40%. Then his salary previously is 25,000. 25,000. In this 10% value 2500, but 40% means 2,500 into 4. It is now his salary is becoming increased by extra. That means extra 10,000 is increased. Now his saving is how much percentage? 10 percentage. 10 percentage of 2500 and 10,000. Only we can take 2500 plus 1000. It is equal to 3500. Option C here. Next, we have a directions based on the quadratic equation. Go for the quadratic equation here 26x and 168. Here is 168 we can write here 14 square 13 square is 169. We can write 14 into 12. 14 12 is 168. 13 square minus 1, 13 square plus 1, 14 plus 12, 26. Here the minus, here the minus. Two factors are there for the x. And coming to the 252, here we can write 252. Here 32 we require. 250 is near to 16. 16 square minus 4. 16 square minus 4. 2 square. That is a 16 square minus 2 square means here is we can write 14 comma 18. 14 comma 18. And coming to the calculation, here is the factors are minus minus, here the factors are plus plus. Comparing to minus minus, plus value is bigger than x less than y. No need to go for the factors also. And coming to the next, x square minus 3x minus 108 is equal to 0. Okay, so x square minus 3, it is a 12 9. Okay, 12 9s are 108. 12 comma 9, it is equal to minus 3. But minus 12 minus 10, but finally we are at plus 12 minus 9. Then coming to the next factor, minus 7 and minus 8. Minus 7 and minus 8. Here is also you will get plus minus. Minus 7 and minus 8. You will get plus minus. Here is also you will get what? Plus minus. First equation is giving plus or minus. Second equation is giving plus or minus. Answer is what? Cannot be is determined. No need to go for the here the factors. And next, 2x square minus 10x plus 12. Here 2 12s are values 24. 24 you can write 6 4s are. And minus minus divided with 2. Here is final factors become a 3 comma 2. And here is 3 12s are 36. 36 you can write here. So 8 9 4s are, but it is not giving the values. We need what is the value? 12. 12 purpose what we have to do? 9 4s are and 12 3s are and 6 6 are 6 6 are and minus minus, now it is divisible by 3 and final factors 2 comma 2. And comparing the values here, comparing to 3, 2 both are small and 2 equal and 2 equal, then x greater than or equal to y. Option is what? B here. Next, x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal 0. Here we can write minus 8. 4 2s are 4 2s are 8, but we need minus 4 minus 2. Then final factors are become a here minus 4 comma 2. And here is 16. The 16 you can write final factors are, so 4 4s are 16. That means minus 4 comma minus 4. Minus 4 become a plus 8 here. Then comparing the factors here, minus 4 and minus 4, it is a equal and 2 greater and 2 greater. Then answer is what? X greater than or equal to y. Option B. Next, x square minus 19x plus 84 is equal 0. It is we can write 12 7. And final factors are 12 7 and 228. 228 we can write the factors are, so separate the 4 here, 4 5s are and 4 7s are. Here we can write 3 into 19. So 4 3s are value is 12. 12 and 19. Here the factors 12 comma 19 and both are plus. Comparing to 12 comma 19, 12 and 7. Here is equal, here is bigger and here is both are bigger. Then what we can write? X less than or equal to y. Our relation is D. And coming to the next simplification, simplification wise we have a such so not direct here, you are not expected to calculate the exact value. That means it is belongs to approximation simplification. How to calculate? 1 by 9 216, 1 by 9 into 216 plus 1 by 13 into we can write 338 minus x cube is equal to 23. This is our question. 9 will be cancelled. 9 2s are 18 and 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are 18 is remaining is 36, remaining 4s are 36. Cancel it now. Next cancel with 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. Remaining value is 78. 13 6 are. Here 24 and here 26. 24 26 both are added. It should be 50. X cube is equal to 23. Then 50 minus 23. 50 minus 23 which is equal to 27. Yes. So 50 minus 27 is equal to 23. X cube is equal to 23 means x is equal to what we can write? 3 here. Option D. Next, 13.07. 13.07 422 minus 212. 212. 211.9 we can write 212. 422 minus 211 we can write 210, which is x minus 440, and 210 into 13 is 0, and 13 carry forward is 1, it is a 2730 x minus 440, and 40 and 30 added, it is equal to 70, and 4 plus 27, it is a 31. Then x is equal to final answer 3170, option is A. Next, 3096 minus 145 into 5, which is equal to 7562 minus x, and 14 145 into 5 here, 145 into 5, 5 into 100 500, 5 into 40 200, 5 5 is a 25, which is equal to 725 minus 3016, which is equal to 7562 minus x, and we have to subtract 30 minus 7 23, and 96 minus 25 71, which is equal to 75 minus 7562 minus x. So here and add it now. So look at 2 minus 1 1, 16 minus 7 9, and 4 minus 3 1, and 7 minus 2 5. Then final answer is 5191, option is A. Next, 10.99 square we can write 11 square, which is equal to 121, 13 square value 169, and 15 square value 225, plus 17 square value 289. By what is the value? 4. So we can add it and divide with the values. So 100 100 200 200 200 400 400 and 100 6 200 600, plus next values we can add it. 21 plus 69 90, 90 plus 25, 90 plus 25 115, 115 added to 90. For example, 115 added to 90, it is 214, but you are adding 89, it is a 213. By what is the value? 4. And cancel the values. 4 150s and 4 5s, 4 3s. Then 150 plus 53, which is equal to 203, which is near to approximately we need. 150 plus 50, it is approximately what is the value is required. 203 you will get. That means approximately we can calculate for 200, option C here. Next, third root of x into 18 plus 56 into 7, 56 into 7, calculate the values as you write it as it is. 56 into 7 minus 42 into 7, which is equal to 404. And look at 56 and 42, we have to remove it. What is the value here? So you will get 14. You will get what? 14. Then 56 to 42 gap is 14. 14 7 the value is 98 into 18, which is equal to 404. And here 98, it is a plus, and int and third root of x, it is a plus, and which is equal to 404. So from 404 98 remove it, 404 100 remove it, 404 100 remove it, 304, but we are removing 98 only, it is becoming 306. 306 and 18 and third root of x, and 8 is going to cancel. First of all, try to cancel well known number 3. 3 6 are cancel with 6 also. 6 3s are, and 6 5s are, and 6 1s are, and 3 is divisible into, it is a 17, and third root of x means it's coming to 17 cube. X is equal to 17 cube. 17 cube value is 4913. 4913 is a 17 cube value. So next question. We have a wrong number series. So what is the wrong number series for the given question? That's we have to calculate. Go for the difference. 11 became a 28. 11 became a 28 means how much added? 17 added. So 28 became a 152. 28 became a 152 means what is added? 126. And 152 became a 180 means how much added? It is a 37. And here 189 became a 530. What is the value? So here the logic is, so 4 square plus 1, and here is 5 cube plus 1. So here is 6 square plus 1. Next should be what? 7 cube plus 1. 7 cube plus 1 value is 343 plus 1, 344. 344 added to 189, it is not 530. Then our wrong number is what? 530. Option E. Next, 9, 18, 7, 16, 6, comma 14. So what is the logic here? We'll take a difference. Here is 9 added and 9 added, and removing a how much it is? Minus 11. And here is 9 added, and here is removing what is the value? Minus 10. If you are removing minus 11, if you are removing minus 11, you will get 5. Then 5, it is adding plus 9, you will get 14. That means wrong number is what? 6. Then wrong number is D. Plus 9 minus 11, plus 9 minus 11. This is a concept. And coming to the next one here, 2000 became a 1000 means divided by 2. Here is divided by 2. Then half of the values divided by 2. Here is divided by 2. Here is also divided by 2. It is not 62. Answer is 62. 62 is wrong. Next, 14, 34, 74, 135, 214, 314. Go for the differences. 14 became a 34 means how much added 20. And 34 became a 74, how much added 40. And 74 became a 135, how much added? It is a 60, 61. And 135 became a 214, how much added it is? So 81. 81. 13 plus 8 is 21 and 5 not 81, it is a 79. And 214 became a 100. Look at the logic here. 20 20 double 40, 20 added, 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 it is a 60, 60 plus 20 80. These are the replaces number. Then when you're adding 60 na, it is not 135, it is a 134. Our wrong number is what? 135. Option C. Next, here 107 became a 118 plus 11, and 118 became a 132 plus 11 and plus 13. That means here we are adding nothing but 24. And here is 142 become 184 means we should add it plus 11 plus 13 and plus 15. And 11 plus 13, which is, it is a 24. 24 plus 15. Finally, we have to add it. Here the 24 plus 15, it is a 39. We can add it. 39 we can add it. Here when you are adding 39, which is not equal to 184. Our wrong number is what? 184. And coming to the next question, the distance between Bangalore and Kakinada is 1000 km. A car starts from Bangalore towards Kakinada 6 a.m. and 60 km per hour. Another car starts from Kakinada towards to Bangalore at the same time at an average speed of 40. Then both are in opposite direction means it is 100 km per hour. So 1000 kilometers difference. Here the time is how many hours? 10 hours. The journey is 10 hours. The question is what? Then how far Bangalore will two cars meet? What time? So Bangalore will meet means you have to go for, a car starts from Bangalore towards to Kakinada at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. it started na? So it is a 60 km per hour. We will multiply with 60. Then 6 a.m. is started, it's going for 60 km per hour means it is a overall how many kilometers? 600 km. Option D. A motorboat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water. 15 km per hour in still water. It's covering 30 kilometers downstream and it's come back 30 kilometers in upstream. It is a minus, it is a plus. Total time is you will take 4.5 hours. It is C, it is a C. Then C value is what? We have to substitute here. What is the value we have to substitute? We are coming to the 4. 4 we are substituting now. The 19 is not dividing. 5 substitute. 15 plus 5 it is a 20. 3 by 2 is equal 1.5. 15 minus 5 10 it is a 3 by 30 by 10 it is a 3. 3 by 1.5. It is exactly right. Go through the option. Which is option is clear? B is a clear now. And coming to the next, 85 liter container milk water, the ratio of the water milk is 1:3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 100 percentage. Then 1 is equal to water is how much percentage? 25 percentage. Milk is how much percentage? 75 percentage. And some part of this mixture is replaced by another mixture in which milk is 80 percentage. Milk is 80 percentage means water is how much percentage? 20 percentage. Percentage of water becomes 24 percentage. Clearly they are mentioned water is 24 percentage for final mixture. That's why we are separating with percentages. First 25 percentage mixture, it's going to mixing with 20 percentage water. Then it is final water become 24 percentage. And take a differences here. So when coming to the difference 25 1 and here is 4. And we have a what? 4 plus 1 how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 84 liters. 5 parts is equal to 84 liters. What fraction of mixture was replaced? Then replacing is how many parts? 20 percentage. It is equal to how many parts? 1 part. 1 by 5 into 84 liters. We can write 168 by 10. 168 by 10 is equal to how many liters? 16.8 liters. Then what is the water you, what is the fraction of mixture you are replacing? 16.8 liters. Move for the next question. Here the cost of making 100 units of product is 20,000 rupees. And for 150 units it is a 25,000 rupees. The cost of the product depends on the fixed and variable expense. Find the cost of when there is 200 units per. Look at 100 units and it is a 150 units. Next time is 150 units. So 100 units and 150 units, how many units difference? 50 units difference. Then 50 units purpose, how much extra you money paid? 20,000 became a 25,000 means every 50 units purpose you are paying extra how much units? 5,000 units. It's a mandatory. Okay. Now in 100 units 50 50 50 50. For 50 units purpose you are paying 5,000 means remaining 50 units purpose you are paying how much units? Is how much? 15,000 you are paying. Now you have to calculate 150 units. In 150 units, look at in 150 units 50 units is belongs to 5000 means remaining is how many units? 100 units. Every 100 units you are paying is how much rupees? Yes, every 100 units you have to pay in 25,000. Look at, in 25,000 it is a 5000 you are paying for 50 units. Remaining 100 units purpose you are paying 20,000. 20,000 in a power bill we have to pay like this. Compulsory minimum charge is mandatory. The minimum charge is 5,000. Extra units purpose you have to pay 20,000. Now every 100 units you are paying 20,000 now. Then what is the question they are asking? 200 units. 200 units purpose how much rupees you are paying? 200 units purpose you have to pay. So 150 units I am calculating. 150 units which is equal to how much? So 100 20,000. 150 means it is a 30,000 plus extra 5,000. 150 units to reserve the 200 units means separate the 150 plus 50. Then 150 plus 50, every 50 units you have to pay 5,000, and here the 5,000 plus 30,000, overall you have to pay 35,000 rupees for how many units? 200 units. Then how much answer? It is a D is our option here. Next, 71 to 75, we have a direction. Refer to the line graph and answer the given questions. Principal amount deposited by two persons in different schemes over the year. All the investments hold for 2 years. Look at, the data is given, the question belongs to investments based on the interest. Look at, if Amit invested 6% for 2 years, 6% 2 years means it is a 12% by Amit and 4% by Subir. It is a 8% and 12% invested for 2005. In 2005, what is the value for Amir? 2600. 2600 and 8% is invested 3200. And we have to take a difference. First of all, calculate the values here. So 8% of 32. Okay, so 8 to the 16, 8 3 is a 24, it is a 256. And calculate here 12 6 are 72, 2 carry forward is 7, 12 to the 24, it is a 312. 312 became a 256, it is a 56, again it is a difference. So 44 plus 12, it is a 56 difference. The difference between 312 to 256, how much? 56, option D. And next, Amit and Subir both would invest a scheme with compound interest 5% in 2011. In 2011, how much? 5%. How much amount Amit will give more than the Subir interest? Here, compound interest. Particularly, they are asking for compound interest here. Amit and Subir both invested 5% here. So 5% means here you can calculate 5%. We should calculate how much amount will more than the Subir as a interest. We should take a difference. 3,600 became a 2,800. How much difference it is? 3,600 became a 2,800. How much difference? 800. It is 40. It is 40 and it is 2. We have to calculate for 2 years. First year 40, second year 40, extra 2 rupees. 40 plus 40, 2. It is how much rupees? 82 rupees. Option B. And next, in 2013, Amit and Subir invested in the same scheme. Same scheme. The scheme is not mentioned. Amit got 420 rupees as simple interest. What is the interest received by Subir? So here, which year? 2013. 2013, Amit invested 420 rupees as a simple interest. Extra is a Amit got 420 rupees. So Amit value is 3,000. 3,000 he is getting 420 rupees. And if he invested 2,400, what is the value? Okay, here is 0000 cancel, and here you can calculate the values. 6 5s and 6 4s, and 5 parts is equal to 420, which is equal to 5 8s and 5 4s. Here the same number multiply here. So 4 4s 16, 4 8s 32, it is a 336. This value is how much rupees? 336. Option B. Next, Amit and Subir invested in a different scheme with a simple interest in 2015. In 2015, Amit and Sumit different schemes with simple interest. The ratio of the interest received by them is 1:1. 1:1. The sum of the rate of percentage both the scheme is 9.6%. Find the rate percentage of the scheme which Subir invested. Look at here the Amit. Amit 2015. How much rupees invested? 1800. He is invested 1800. His investment is, for example, X percentage, and Subir invested 9.6 minus X percentage, and his investment 3,000. Finally, their investment is became 1 by 1. That means equation is equalized, and here is 0000 cancel. 6 5s and 6 3s. 3 into X value 3X and 5 into 9.6 minus X. And look at 5 into minus X minus 5X. Minus 5X is added to 3X, it is a 8X. 8X is equal to 5 into 9.6. 8 to 9.6, it is a 1.2. 12 9 ja. So 12 5 a value 60. 60 means it is a one decimal is there, then x value you will get 6. X value you will get 6. This is belongs to Amit. Amit is x percentage means then Subir investment is 9.6 minus 5. 9.65 means it is equal to here. So 6, 9.6 minus 6. 9.6 minus 6 means it is equal to how much percentage? 3.6%. This is investment by Subir. Next, question number 75. In 2007, Amit Subir invested in simple and compound schemes respectively, but the percentage of interest in both the scheme was equal interest. If the difference between the interest of both the scheme was 150.4, find the interest percentage. We have to calculate. Such a calculation is more required. Here, look at Subir. Subir in a particularly 2007, how much rupees invested? 4,000. If he invested more money means compulsory he will get more rupees. Then it is a 2,200, and we need a difference here. So he invested 2 years. 2 years means into 2. And what is the rate of interest? We don't know. That's why I'm taking x. X into 2. 2 into x for 2 years. It is a simple interest. And their difference is 150.4. And we have to calculate compound interest. The compound interest for how many years? 2 years. This is you can calculate 2x plus x square by 100. When you are calculating this, we will get an answer. Here, what was the options wise? We have to substitute. Then what was the value? You will get LHS is equal to RHS. That is our answer. If you are substituting first, second, third, then our option is what? 4% is correct. Just you have to check yourself this. Next, we have a direction 76 to 80. Direction numbers are 76 to 80. It is a case study. It's based on the case study we have to calculate. It is nothing but data they will give and we have to provide the answers for it is. First of all, we have to simplify the data. After that, we will move for the questions here. So look for the first data here. So 5 sports, particularly they mentioned 5 sports. 5 sports, hockey and cricket. 5 sports, they mentioned hockey and cricket, tennis, badminton and baseball. So hockey, and next one is cricket, and next one is tennis, and next one badminton, and next one is baseball. And the direct data is directly there. The total number of players in the sports competition is 800. We have to adjust the 800. The ratio between the women to men players is 1:3. So here 800 we have to adjust total. This is we have to adjust like 1:3. 1:3 means 200 women's and men's is 600. 200 plus 600 is overall 800. 200 and 600 cancel. It is a 1:3. 25% is players in cricket of total players. 25% of it is a 800 value is so 200. This is the total players of cricket. And next 110 players are play badminton. So 110 players are play badminton. And players in tennis are 10% of total players. Total players is 80. And next hockey players are 2 times of than that of the badminton players. So badminton is 110, it is a 220. And next here badminton players. Remaining players are play baseball. Remaining players are play baseball means 220 plus 80. It is a 300. 300 plus 200, 500. 500 plus 110, 16. 16 is removing from the 800, which is equal to 190. And next, half of women cricketers are equal to women badminton players. Half of women cricket player, 30% cricket players are women. Cricket players 30% is here women. I am writing a left side is women. So women's value is 30% means it is a 60. So it is remaining value is 140. 140 is belongs to men and 60 is women. So here is also women. This is women and this is men. Here I am writing a left side is women. And next half of women are cricketers are equal to half of women cricketers are equal to women badminton players. So 30% is cricket players women. Half of women cricketers. Women cricketers means 60. 60 half value is 30. That is belongs to women badminton players. It is 30. And remaining players is belongs to here 80. And 10% of players of hockey players. 10% of hockey players are equal to women tennis players. Women tennis players. It is a 10%. 10% of 220 is equal to 22. From 80, 22 will be removed. You will get 58. 58 plus 22, 80. 10% of the players, hockey players are equal to women tennis players. And hockey and baseball have a equal women players. Look at, go for the women's here. So 60 women's, 22 women's, 30 women's. 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 60, 110, 110 plus 2, it is a 112. 112 is removing from the 200, remaining is 88. 88 purpose, we have to write 44 here. Here we can write 44. That means, so tennis players, hockey and baseball have a equal women players, that is 44 and 44. And here remaining values we have to distribute. Here from 190, 44 will be removed. From 190, 40 will be removed, 150. From 150, 4 will be removed, remaining is 146. This is a men's. And 220, 40 removed, you will get 180, which is equal to 176 remaining value, that is men's. And it's the data is clear, we have to calculate the answers for it is. And go for the questions here. The questions wise, first question is, what is the ratio between the women hockey players and men badminton players? Women hockey players is 44, and men badminton players 80. Then 44 and 80 we have to calculate. 44 and 80, 44 and 80, both are cancelled with 4. 4 11s are 4 20s are, then 11 20. Our option is what? 11 is to 20, option B. And go for the next question here. Then what is the next question here? What is the total number of men players in hockey and cricket and baseball? So men players in hockey men players are 176, and cricket men players is 140, and next baseball here the 146. Okay, 100 300 plus, so 70 plus 40, 40 plus 40 80, 80 plus 70 150 plus 12. This is we have to add it. 300 plus 150 450, 450 plus 12 462, option C here. And move for the next question here. What is the percentage of women baseball players comparison to male hockey players? Women baseball player is 44 comparison to male hockey players. Male hockey players is 176 and cancel with 100. Okay, so 44 fours are, so 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 176. It is a 4 to 100 25%. Option is A. Next question 79. What is the difference between the male baseball players and women tennis players? Male baseball players is how much? 146, and women tennis players is 22. 146 to 120 22 124, option is what? None of this. Move for the next question here. In which sports women are maximum? Women maximum is which? Look at, in a women maximum is 60 here, that is a cricket, and next hockey, here is also cricket here. And next one is what here? Male minimum is what? Male minimum here, so 176 140 58 80. Here is tennis, cricket and tennis means option is what? D here, option D.